Man, this is exactly what y'all don't want to see when you wake up. Do-rag halfway off, hair all over the pillow. You know what I'm saying? I feel bad, bro, but neglecting my ways for a minute now. Barely brushing, skipping that wash. Not even moisturizing like that. But today we got to get back right. First step to bringing waves back to life, the washing style. This is like hitting the reset button. If your hair has been neglected, you want to start fresh, clean your scalp, remove that buildup, and lay down a foundation again. So I'm brushing through the shampoo just to get started and getting the pattern to lay down again. You don't need nothing crazy, no crazy products or nothing like that, just consistency. Now this part right here, this is an important part too as well. This is me just, you know what I'm saying, chilling, vibing, letting my hair dry. I'm just messing around, feeling myself. As you can see, I look good. For the ladies, of course, not for the guys. Don't be thinking too much now. But of course, I'm just letting my hair dry. Do what you want. Let your hair dry, let it breathe. But I'm just making sure my comeback is like, you know what I'm saying, gonna be smooth. All right, so here's where I start bringing my hair back to life for real. This is the real comeback routine. Simple, effective, and beginner friendly. I start off with a comb just to lift my hair up, separate the waves a little bit. This helps get the product deeper into the roots.
Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay.
Boom, okay. So next I hit that with the leave-in conditioner right here. This will helps moisturize and, you know, softens up the hair. If your hair is dry for a while, it's gonna be a key step into this. So you want to do that little Birdman hand rub right there, and then you just want to, you know what I'm saying, get it applied to your hair when your hair is lifted up, obviously. Then after that, we switched to the medium brush. I just got done using a hard brush. That was for, you know what I'm saying, putting in work. That was going to rebuild the connections if waves were looking weak and mine was looking weak. So now I got the medium brush. This is going to smooth things out. It's going to start the training back to lay. Or I said that completely wrong. It's going to start training it to lay.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides.
All right, now I just put in work with the medium brush. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this natural pomade just for some hold and some shine. Don't go too crazy with it though, just get enough to where it's gonna be able to spread evenly across your hair, because you know what I'm saying, too much goes a long way. So, or a little bit goes a long way. Damn, I'm just fucking up. But take a little bit, like a little dime amount. It says it even on the whatever product you're using, it'll say that. But just brush it in with the soft brush now. This is basically gonna pull everything together. You can really see the definition coming back and everything, especially with the pomade in there.
Too hard to handle, things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
And this part right here, man, makes me a little bit emotional, man. Feel me? I could cry right now just looking at this. Like, I've been feeling like I've been left out in this wave community. So I'm going in with my toothbrush right now to work on my crown area. You know, a lot of people struggle with this, so take your time. I know I struggle with it. I've been struggling with it for since I had waves. Like, I haven't got it correct, and now I'm trying to work hard at it. So I'm gonna get it right, and once I get it right, I'm gonna make sure y'all get yours right too. So If I'm not on this, make sure I'm on it. Stay on top with me. Then to seal it off, to make sure everything is laid down correctly, smoothly, we're going to hit that plastic bag method. And this is going to seal it in. Gives it that silky finish, right? You know what I'm saying? This, you can't go wrong with this. It's going to lay down all the little strands of hair that's sticking up and everything else. So make sure you do this method. It don't take too long. It only takes like 3 minutes to do. So do this before you put that do-rag on. Once everything's laid, I throw the do-rag on tight. This locks in all the moisturizer and compression. Now it's just about staying consistent. Doing this about 2 to 3 times a week will have your waves looking alive again. You just got to stay consistent all together. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay? Fast forward to day 3. I've been sticking with the routine, brushing daily, and you can already see the difference. The shine come back, the patterns are deeper, and my crown's starting to close up again. This is proof that all it takes is consistency. Even if you fall off for a while, you can always bounce back. Don't let a bad week make you quit and give up on these waves, man. Just get back in front of the mirror, put that work in, and the waves will come back stronger. I'm probably just gonna let this video play out though and not talk through it. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. My full comeback routine to my waves back to life. To bringing my waves back to life. If you've been slacking like I was, start with the washing style. That's the reset, that's the refresh. You know, follow this moisturizing process and you'll be right back on track. Make sure you like the video, comment if you fell off, getting back into it too, and subscribe. We on the road to 1K, and I appreciate you for rocking with me and subscribing and liking the videos and commenting. Keep doing that, and we're gonna see y'all in the next one.
Got a whole lot of show for it. I mean, we can really get it, we can go for it. I'ma stay up for the bucks in the village, nigga. Don't make me kill one of the ghosts for it. I run this shit, they like go for us, run for us, go for us. Yeah, I mean, you already wrote for us. Damn, nigga, what's one more quote for us? Oh Lord, who else sounded like this? They ain't made me what I am, they just found me like this. I was ready.